Good morning to all. Today our chapter number 18, that is volume and surface area of 3D solid. Let us complete unit test paper, that is last portion of the exercise. Question number 5. See the question of 5, what is given? A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. Means area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. दोनों का बेस सेम है. The sides of the triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm, 30 cm. If the parallelogram stands on the base 28, means base of the parallelogram is 28 cm. Find the height of the parallelogram. How to solve? So first you draw one triangle. First you find the area of triangle by Heron's formula, as it is given three sides. Number 5. For your convenience, draw one right hand triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Three sides given. One is 26, 28 and 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Okay. So by Heron's formula, you have to find out area of triangle having three sides. So first to find S means semi-perimeter. S is equal to semi-perimeter. Sum of three sides 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2. How much coming? 84 by 2 means 42 centimeters. After finding the semi-perimeter, then area of triangle is equal to, by Heron's formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C का root over. Put the value of S, that is 42. 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30 root over. Now you see 42 minus 30, 26 will how much? 16 into 42 minus 28, that will be 14. Then this is 42 minus 30, 12 root over. Okay. Now just you have to evaluate 14 3 या 42, 14 3 या 42, 16 keep it like this, 14 like this, 12 means you can write 3 into 4. Out of 2 14, I'll take 1 14. Out of 2 3, I'll take 1 3. Now 16 root over is how much? 4, and 4 root over is 2. Just multiply. 2 4 is 8. 8 8 3 is 24. 24 into 14, it will be 336 centimeters square. This is the area of triangle. Now according to question, area of triangle is equal to area of parallelograms. Area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. Therefore, area of triangle you got 336, and area of parallelogram base into height. Your base is 28, height h. Therefore, h will be, height of the parallelogram will be 336 by 28. It will go by 4. 4 7 is 28. 4 8 is 32. 4 4 is 16. Therefore, h will be 84 by 7. That means 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 12 centimeter. Therefore, height of the parallelogram is 12 centimeter. Just write. Height of the parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. In this way, question number 5 completed. Let us see question number 6, what is given. Question number 6. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. That means circumference of first circle, second circle you find, so look at, then circumference of the required circle will be 2 pi r. Let's see how to solve question number 6. Now circumference of the new circle will be 2 pi r, and circumference of first circle, that is 2 pi r1 and 2 pi r2 according to question. Now you can take 2 pi and 2 pi will be cancelled, r is equal to r1 plus r2. Therefore the radius of the required circle will be sum of the radius of the two circles, that is 19 plus 9. How much coming? R is equal to 28 centimeter. 28 centimeters. I think it's clear. What they are asking to find? Find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of those two circles. This is the required answer. Okay. The radius of the required circle will be 28 centimeters. As for the question, circumference of the required circle is equal to sum of the circumference of the other two circles. So according to question I have written here, taking 2 pi common and cancel both sides, r is equal to sum of r1 plus r2. 19 plus 9, 28 centimeters. Let us go question number 7. Question number 7. If the area and perimeter of a circle are equal, if the area and perimeter of a circle are equal, determine the radius of the circle. So according to question, area of circle is what? Pi r square, and perimeter of circle formula is 2 pi r. Equate, then you can get the radius of the circle. See how to solve. So according to question, area of circle is pi r square and circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay. Pi cancel, that means r square minus 2r equal to 0. Taking r common, r minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore either r equal to 0 or r is equal to 2. That means radius of the required circle is 2 centimeter, 2 unit. Radius of the required circle is equal to 2 unit, 2 meter, whatever. So they have not mentioned any unit, therefore 2 unit. In this question number 7 also completed. Let us also go to question number 8. Question number 8. The parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio 7:5. The parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio 7:5 and the distance between them is 14 centimeters. If the area of trapezium is 504 centimeters square, determine the length of the parallel side. See how to solve. For your convenience, we draw one trapezium. Suppose A, B, CD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD. They have given the ratio of parallel sides of trapezium is 7:5. Let be 7x, another will be 5x. Okay. And distance between them is, this is height given how much? 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. This is the figure. Ratio given. Ratio is equal to 7:5. Ratio of parallel side. So let the sides be 7x and 5x respectively. Okay. Okay. Now apply the formula for area of trapezium. Area of trapezium formula is 1/2 means half sum of parallel sides into height. Now area of trapezium, it is given 504 centimeter square. Okay, equal to half sum of parallel side means 7x plus 4x into height, that is 14. It will go back to 2 7s are 14. Now 504 divided by 7, it will be how much? 7x plus 4x, 11x. Okay, 7 7s are 49 and 7 2s are 14. 7x plus 5x given two sides. That means 7x plus 5 is 12x. So 72 is equal to 12x. Therefore, x is equal to 72 by 12. 72 by 12 means 12 6 is 72. X is equal to 6 unit, means 6 centimeter. Therefore, the first parallel side will be how much? That is 7x. Means 7 into 6, 7 6 is 42 centimeter. And second side is what? That is 5x. Means 5 into 6, how much? 5 6 is 30 centimeter. I think it is clear. Question number 8 also completed. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you for today's class. Next day do more.